My name is Dr. Michael Tapscott. I'm a family medicine and sports medicine physician here at Prevea Health. So I see all kinds of patients, anywhere from children all the way up to the elderly. And then whenever I see sports medicine patients, I will see a lot of younger athletes in addition to sort of the weekend warrior type athletes. I love that aspect of medicine, the sports medicine side, because you're usually in pain or you may be fearful that something's going on and something serious. And so in our consultation together in my exam and diagnostics, we can generally figure out pretty well what's going on. And I can either recommend a treatment or treat you myself right there. They can ask as many questions as they want. I always give plenty of time during appointments to be able to ask questions, because I don't want you leaving the appointment not knowing what we talked about and not knowing why the treatment we have decided on is the treatment we decided on. I want you to understand what is going on with you. The main priority of every first visit that I have is to build that rapport with the patient, because I'm thinking years and years ahead for your health to keep you nice and healthy and be able to do whatever you want to do. You may not be thinking that way, and so I need to make sure that we have a good trust, so that way if something I catch needs to be addressed, then we can get that done quickly.